G'day guys, I'm just doing a video on 6H. So you're working with spheres in this chapter and question 7 specifically. Okay, so it's a problem solving question. Okay, it's a really good question. All right, so what we've got is we've got a sphere, okay, that just fits inside a cube. Okay, what is the surface area of the sphere as a percentage of the surface area of the cube? Round your answers to the nearest whole percentage. Okay, so what we've got is we have a cube. So I'm going to draw this. We've got a cube. All right, so my drawings are not perfect. I'll try my best. Okay, that should probably go down a bit more like that. All right, so I've got a cube. Okay, its dimensions are all the same, and inside it is a ball. Okay, so I've gone away there. So if you think about it, guys, this ball that we're fitting in, imagine that fits in just inside this box, this cube. Okay, so on each of the sides, the ball is touching the edge. Okay, and on the top and the bottom, the ball's touching the top and the bottom. Okay, so the only part where this ball won't be filling in is the corners of our cube. Cool. All right, but it's touching at the top, bottom, and on the sides. Okay, so what this question wanted us to do, it wanted us to find the total surface area of the sphere as a percentage of the total surface area of the cube. Okay, so as a proportion. Okay, so if we look at this picture, guys, we can see that the total surface area of this cube, all right, is actually going to be greater than the total surface of the sphere. Okay, we've just got more area showing around the outside. Okay, the question though, if we go back to it, it actually doesn't give us any dimensions. Okay, it just says that the sphere fits inside the cube. Okay, and then wants the surface area of the sphere as a percentage or a proportion of the cube. Okay, so let's, what we can do is I'm going to make up my own dimensions. I'm going to start with the cube. I'm going to say its length, width, and height are all 6 centimeters. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and find the total surface area of the cube. Okay, you can use whatever dimension you want. You don't have to use 6. You can use whatever you want. All right, so we'll start with 6 centimeters. Remember, guys, to find the total surface area of a cube, it's going to be the length times the width will get us one face. Okay, and we've got 6 faces that are the same. So 6 times 6 times 6 again. All right, is going to be 6 cubed. Okay, so I'll go to my calculator and do that. All right, so 6 cubed, oh, that's squared. Oh, let's get rid of that. 6, try again, 6 cubed. Sweet. That is 216. So the total surface area of just the sphere, the cube, is 216 centimeters cubed. Squared, it's total surface area. Cool, so that's the cube. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the total surface area of the ball. Okay, so guys, as I said, this ball is touching on either side of the cube. So we actually know its radius is going to be half of the 6 because it's touching either side. So the ball, its radius is going to be half of the 6 because the ball's touching either side of this 6 centimeters. Okay, so its radius is actually 3 centimeters. Okay, by using that, we can find the total surface area of our sphere. So I'll just write sphere over here. Okay, the rule for the total surface area of a sphere is total surface area equals now I've forgotten the rule. Okay, 4 times pi times radius squared. Cool. So as we said, the radius was 3 centimeters. That total surface area equals 4 times pi times 3 squared. Okay, so we'll work out the total surface area of the sphere. Times 3 squared. Cool. So our sphere has a total surface area of 113. And I'll add a few decimals just so we're as close as possible. 3355. Again, your answers could be different to this depending on what length you use for the cube. All right, so going back to the question, we found the total surface area of the sphere. We found the total surface area of the cube. What is the surface area of the sphere as a percentage of the surface area of the cube? Okay, so guys, what it wants to know how much of our sphere, what's the percentage of the sphere compared to the cube. All right, we know that it's less. Okay, if you're finding the percentage of something, guys, your test, okay, I'll take your mark, all right, and you divide it by the total. It's the total amount of marks that you could have got, and times by 100%. Okay, in this case, we've got to find the sphere compared to the total, which would be the cube. Okay, so it's actually going to be the total surface area of the sphere compared to the total surface area of the cube, all right, times 100%. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this value divided by this, and then times 100. Okay, so let's do that. I'm just going to bring this down, copy it. All right, it also wanted it to round our answer to the nearest whole percent as well. So we'll find what we got. So here's our sphere on the top. Control V. Okay, our cube was 216. All right, times that by. So in your green calculator, you can do that division first. Times by 100 equals 52.35%. So to the nearest percent, that'd be 52%. Okay, so that's our answer. Cool. So the proportion of the sphere's total surface area to the cube's total surface area is 52%. All right, it's just above half of it. Okay, now the thing to test though, guys, would be to make sure that whatever length you use for the cube will still get you this 52%. Okay, so a little bit of exploration there. So use whatever you want. You don't have to use the 6. Okay, hopefully it'll come out as this.